Hi Leos, welcome back. This is your daily love tarot reading, Leos, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship. We are picking few cards, Leos, and Leos, I have an important announcement. So, from next week onwards, I will be giving a Leo reading in my other channel, and I have shared the link in the description. So, if you are interested to watch the daily reading, you can watch it there, guys. So, you can watch it in my other channel. So, these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, Leos. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, Leos. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy. So that reading may clear your doubts or may answer some questions you may have about your circumstances. And Leos, I request you to watch this reading till the end because at some point of this reading you will get the clarity you are expecting today. So let's start with these cards here for your general energies first. So it's 8 of cups in reverse, 10 of pentacles in reverse, and tower in reverse. So in your circumstances, Leos, maybe in your work or in your relationship, you are seeing some changes. Something is happening, and few of these changes are something you never expected. And you trusted someone. Maybe you believed in a person, and the way things are going, maybe their words or their actions, are showing you that you cannot trust them anymore. So you feel a little lost or sad. So it may be something to do in your relationship. Maybe you trusted this person, you believed in them, you believed that they are someone good, honest, devoted like you, and their intentions are good. But today, circumstances are changing. Maybe it may be because they have some difficulties they are facing and they are focused on that, Leos. They have their heart and soul set on those difficult situations, whatever they are seeing, and they do not hate you or they do not avoid you, but they have their reasons for being this way. So they are not talking to you or spending time with you because they have some circumstances pressing their attention, and it's really a difficult time for them, a difficult situation for this person you love. So we will see what is the it's Emperor in reverse. So Leos, for some of you I see that this person is kind. They are also thinking about you, but maybe they do not have that time and opportunity to come and meet you. But they are thinking of you and they will definitely come with a very good news, Leos. So this person is planning something. Maybe they are they love you and they are devoted to this relationship, but they have something they need to take care of first. So it may be some work related problems they have, so they want to resolve all that before coming in, before stepping in to that next step of this relationship. So they are taking time today, and whatever doubts, lack of clarity you have, all that is changing for you, Leos. So this person is planning something. Maybe they want to surprise you, invite you for a dinner or a party. So some invitation or a celebration is coming in your situation, guys. So something good is happening today. So whatever you thought of, maybe you were thinking that this person is avoiding you, all that is changing to daily use. So we will see what is the card for your career situation. It's Queen of Pentacles in reverse. So with this card here, maybe you are trying your best, working hard, but you feel that your work, your efforts are not seeing the expected results. So something not working as you expected, something is missing. But Leos, you need to understand that your efforts will never be wasted. So you must stay focused on your work. So what you are doing right now, you must keep doing it, because there is a change waiting to happen in your life. This card here, it's a very positive card. So good things are coming for you very soon, Leos. So that is the energy here with these cards for you all. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. Thank you, Leos, and please watch my reading in the other channel, and please subscribe to that other channel, guys. Leos, thank you, Leos. I will see you next time, and stay tuned for the pick a card that is coming up right now. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances. Close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. I will keep this card here. So for those who chose this card, it says the Nixie of Mill Pond, memory. So in your circumstances, you are trying to avoid something. It may be a person or a circumstance. You are trying to avoid some emotional situation, and maybe you are trying to control your feelings for someone or something, and you are unable to control that. You are unable to have that complete control over your feelings, but it is necessary to understand that it is better you face this circumstance, whatever you are trying to avoid, because if you face that situation, you will be freed of all that fear and anxiety that you have. And by facing this circumstance, it is going to bring great changes in your heart. It may bring lasting changes in you, and it will have a great impact on you, and you will be tested. But when you face your emotions you have been avoiding, it is going to bring that end of sorrow, and it is going to bring joy. Maybe you have some fears to face a person or a circumstance, but it is better to face it, guys, right now, because it is going to relieve you of all the stress and anxiety, and you will realize the people who are true to you, your true soul family. So you will have a better understanding if you are able to what to say give up your fears and face what needs to be faced today. And you are avoiding a connection. Someone is here and you are avoiding some kind of an emotional connection, and this may be the time for you to rethink about your decisions, guys. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So we will see what is the second card. I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this second card, it's Rose Quartz. So it's a crystal spirits card, and the guidance with this card is that maybe we often forget how amazing we are. So this is the time for us to remember our true beauty, our true worth. And this crystal spirit is here to remind us of our soul's worth. So are you comparing yourself with others and convincing yourself that you are not good enough, or you have to work hard, you have to do much better to deserve what you want for yourself? So this is not the time for that, and it is wrong. Comparing yourself is wrong, and you must let go of this mentality of comparison. So comparing yourself to someone should be done when you want to match their inner strengths with yours, so that you will amplify your experience with more love and prosperity. So you must go for that inner change, and you should not uh, compare yourself to feel that you are not worthy enough and you are not up to the mark, up to your expectations. And this is the time for you to connect with people who see that you have beautiful attributes, who see your inner beauty. So you must remember those times where you felt very confident, smart, playful, and strong, and whatever qualities you have within you. You must understand that you have everything you need right within you to desire what you truly want in life. And you will see that if you have that understanding, you will see that in this relationship you will be reflecting all those beautiful attributes, and you are worthy to desire whatever you wish for yourself today, guys. So that is the energy here. And this crystal, it suggests self love. So we must love ourselves first in order to love others. So that is the core message here. So you must try to understand your true worth. That is going to help you in all your relationships. So that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you next time. Bye, guys.